Hey guys, what's up? It's Chris here. No fancy backdrop today, no fancy equipment, just me and you guys. So in this video, I want to talk about 3 things. 2 of them are actually for you guys. 1 of them is for me, the first thing. And it's a little bit self-serving, so bear with me. As you guys know, this week we finished up the beginner series for the War card game app on Tuesday. And if you've been living under a rock, this is basically the series where I take the absolute beginner from lesson 0 or lesson 1 all the way to lesson 10, building their first app, getting some core skills in. If you haven't checked it out, I highly recommend you do. And if you've already completed it, please share it with someone you know who also wants to learn. Anyways, I just want to read a couple of the comments that I received from the series, and I received a lot, but these are just a couple. Chris, you've really got something going here. Keep at it, man. You're a great teacher. From Dave. Thank you so much, Dave. Chris, you're the best programming teacher. It is not a joke. From Leo. Thank you, Leo. I really appreciate it. This stuff makes me smile so hard. I've been trying to teach myself unsuccessfully for a year or more and finally feel like there is some hope. From Eric. That makes me feel so good because that is the reason I do this. And this one is literally my favorite. If you were a shawarma, I'd dip you in garlic sauce and enjoy you with a side of paprika fries. I have literally watched every single one of your iOS lessons from Muhammad. And you know what? I freaking love shawarmas. So thank you so much. That used to be my lunch of choice in university. And those were just a handful of comments from the many comments that you guys left. I read every single one of them, and I tried to reply to every single one of you guys as well. I want to say thank you so much for watching, for following along, for subscribing, for sharing, for doing the worksheets. This stuff is what keeps me going. And you know, I heard you guys loud and clear. A lot of you guys said that you want to see more projects. You know, you want to build upon the skills you learned in this beginner series and you want to build the next project. So that's exactly what we're going to do next week. We're going to start a brand new app. And you're going to continue learning. You're going to continue growing. And we'll use the same format. So I want all of you guys to stay tuned next week. Don't go anywhere. Come back on Tuesday. That's when the next video is going to drop. And let's get started with the next app. Number 2, I have a coding challenge for you guys. It's going to be due next Thursday because next Friday there's going to be a new one. And I don't have any prizes right now. Probably just recognition. But you know what? Everyone could use a little bit more recognition, and plus you'll be honing your skills. So let me show you what I want you guys to make. So the app is pretty simple. It's just a screen split into 4 quadrants. Each quadrant is showing a different image. The images you can just grab from any royalty-free stock photo site. There's tons of them out there. I just got mine from pexels.com, and I'll link to it below so you can go there and grab free images as well. But what images you use is not the important part. So the important thing is when you rotate it to landscape, the screen is still split into 4 quadrants and you still see those 4 images. So for some of you guys, this may be very simple. For others, it may be a little more challenging. So it might take me a little while to find out the right balance for you guys, or I might have different difficulties or something like that. But let's start with this. So I have no way to submit your completed challenge, but you can hit me up on Twitter or send me an email and I will put you on the wall of fame for recognition. Alright, so that's number 2, the coding challenge. I'm going to try to make it a regular thing. So the third thing I want to do is a Q&A segment for you guys. And the way this is going to work is through Twitter. Simply send me your questions through Twitter with the hashtag #AskCodeWithChris. And every week I will hand select a bunch of questions and I'll answer them in the video like this. So my goal is to make this Code with Chris channel a lot more interactive and also to try to get you guys to actually code and do stuff, because I know a lot of people simply watch the videos and they want to learn, but they need that extra push to finally start typing and start making mistakes and start learning that way. So that's one of my goals as well. Anyways, I want to thank you guys so much for your encouragement, for your support, for watching my videos, for subscribing, for sharing. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys continue to watch. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.